welcome back to my channel. This is Mimi G. I'm back for today's video, guys. Again, I will go into reaction to Dema Senopati, that our favorite artist. Alright, guys, the title of music is One Last Breath. Oh my god, One Last Breath. Think. Alright, guys. Covered by Dema Senopati, guys. Actually, this one I 4.4 million, my god, views. And then also, guys, ooh la la, my god, there is 1630 comments, and there is 37,000k likes. All right, guys, we will listening this one, but guys, before of that, if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below. And also, I want to say something to all Indonesian and to all Malaysian, to all our viewers. But I just speak in English and in also Tagalog and also Indonesian language. That Tarima kasih to all Indonesia, and also salamat dakang to everyone. Alright, guys, and if you are Filipino or English, thank you so much, and then you are welcome to my channel, guys. Okay, guys, I appreciate it to all who is watching my reaction all the time. Even I'm not a perfect person, even I'm not a perfect reactor, everyone, but I know myself. Alright, guys, and then I can say whatever I want. Alright, guys, stay tuned and we will check if this is good or what kind of, if I feel in love again, this kind of music. Alright, guys, there is 4 minutes. We'll see. Stay tuned and play, alright? Indonesian, they are always remember my bravo, bravo, bravo. You know, there is someone that my viewers, they are telling bravo, bravo, bravo. Yes, guys, you always remember that I always comment to everyone. I always saying bravo, bravo. Because it means it's bravo, it's good. It's bravo. Wow, it's perfect. Alright, guys. By the way, guys, we will give rank with him. Dun, 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 dun. I will give 10. Of course, he's always 10 with me because, you know, I like him. Really, really, I like the voice of him. The way he is always deliver is nice, perfect, and clear. You know, I don't know where he get that from. I don't know what did you call that. He's coming from here, I don't know what I call that, but it's really, 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 I like the voice of him, and then, you know, Creep is always good, also the music, and then you fall in love with him. My God. Guys, thank you so much, and thank you so much to all team of Demas, and also guys, don't be tired also to support to Demas, and he's a good person also. And also, guys, don't forget to support also to my reaction. I hope you like my reaction all the time, guys. And then, by the way, guys, just request and comment below. If you have any requests, please let me know, and then I will try to be reaction. Alright, guys? But if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below, guys. And see you my next reaction to Demas Sinopate again, and give me idea and more information with him. Alright, guys? Bye-bye and see you next my reaction. Masalamat!